Are you struggling with content creation? Wish there was an easier way to generate engaging articles, videos, and posts? Well, look no further. Artificial intelligence technology can revolutionize your content creation process. With AI, you can effortlessly generate high-quality content. These advanced algorithms analyze vast amounts of data, learning from the best examples to create tailored content just for you. No more staring at a blank page, wondering what to write or say. The AI can generate ideas based on keywords or prompts you provide. Simply input your topic, and AI will offer you suggestions and inspiration, saving you precious time and effort. Now, you can focus on what you do best, adding your unique voice and perspective to the content. But wait, there's more. AI can also enhance your content with visuals, selecting relevant images or creating captivating graphics. It can even assist in video editing, turning raw footage into polished masterpieces. Imagine the possibilities. And the best part? You don't need to be a tech genius to use AI. These tools are designed with user-friendly interfaces, making content creation accessible to everyone. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, AI can level up your content game. So don't settle for average content. Embrace the power of AI and unlock your creative potential. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more content creation tips and tricks.